Hello guys, hello everyone. Today I want to show you how I cook fish soup. Actually, some of my friends wanted me to show how I cook chicken soup for winter. But since I have the video file of fish soup in my phone and it is full, so I think I should release this one first, and I will cook chicken soup later when mom wants to eat it. You know, the fish soup is also good for health. For this recipe, I have rice, 50 gram, lemongrass, garlic, green onion, galanga, Kaffir leaf, basil, and chili. Besides that, I have fish sauce, salt, and chicken powder. To 1.5 liters of water, in the pan I add lemongrass, Kaffir leaf, galanga, and garlic, and also add the washed rice into the pan and keep them boiling about 10 minutes. This is a big freshwater fish called wolffish. I have to descale, cut, and clean it very well before I cook it. I cut the fish into 4 parts. Now, the boiling ingredient produce aromatic smell, and the rice cook. I just add 2 pieces of the fish because we cannot finish it all at once. Now I add half, or better to say 1/3 of salt and the same amount of chicken powder, 1.5 tablespoon of fish sauce, and I also add the stem of green onion. Keep our soup on the stove with a high heat about 5 to 7 or even 10 minutes more, and then taste it to have your flavor. You also can add sugar or other seasonings, but I don't use them. This is our topping. Our fish soup is ready to serve now. You know, the fish soup is a good food during the cold and flu season. It will boost your immune system on the cold days. Like chicken and other poultry, the fish are excellent source of protein and can be easily digested. Now my presentation on how to cook the fish soup is finished. Hope you like my video. Please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more video from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.